Hello guys, welcome. Want to run Janitor AI with DeepSeek directly on your phone? So let us talk about it. You need to open the Chrome or Kiwi browser on your phone. Kiwi is preferred because it supports browser extensions. You can find it in the Play Store. Go to janitorai.com and sign into your account. Tap the menu and select Settings. Scroll down to choose your LLM provider. Select Custom API and then choose the drop-down. Choose DeepSeek if it's available, or just stay on Custom if you're inputting a proxy. Now head to DeepSeek's compatible proxy sites. Many users use public DeepSeek endpoints shared on GitHub or Discord. Search for one that's up and paste its base URL into the API endpoint field. Also make sure your selected character allows custom API use. Save your settings, return to the chat, and send a message. If your character responds, you're set. If not, try another DeepSeek proxy or check the endpoint format. It usually ends with /v1. And that's it. Janitor AI with DeepSeek is now on your phone. No PC required. So that's pretty much it, guys. Hopefully you enjoy this tutorial and video. Don't forget to subscribe as well. See you in the next one.